Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. This is Lonewolf Ham Radio. Here we have the ubiquitous Yaesu FT-857D guerrilla radio. Been around for a while, but it's still pulling the contacts in. And I bought this a while ago, and I want to take it out doing packs in here and that sort of thing, but I need some sort of protection. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I've been teasing a lot of shorts of me making side rails and stuff, and I've finally finished them, and here they are. Okay, these are my DIY Lonewolf ham radio side rails. They are similar to commercially available units, and I started off with a bit of C-section aluminium. I hacked some bits out with a hacksaw. I drilled some holes with a drill, and here we are. This is a finished article. So that is the right hand side. The cutout at the front is for the VFO, and the cutout on the bottom is for the kickstand, bail arm, whatever you want to call it. So that is the right hand side. We're going to put that there. Okay, this is the left hand side. Left hand side is exactly the same, apart from the addition of a bracket, and the bracket is going to be for coax coming from the back, so a breakout sort of box, and that's going to help me get to my antenna connections from my bag. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to put the sides on. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to need some bits and bobs. I'm going to need my Allen key. Going to need some screws. So let's get going. Okay, so this on this side. Oops. Microphone goes for the microphone hole. Okay, go to line those holes up. So the bracket is held on, or is fixed on, with some JB weld. I did consider using self-tappers or pop rivets, but as I don't have a pop rivet gun, look at that, ambidextrous, woohoo! I thought I would just use a bit of JB weld. That's one side. Get my other side. Yes, I need to put the washers back on these ones, don't I? This part of the front. This part of the front was a bit of a challenge. The challenge was getting the clearance between the buttons on top of the VFO and the actual cage itself, which I have just got. Go there. Let's put this last washer on. And we'll align it with our hole, as you do. Just get your holes around. Tight. I'm sure I've still got that. There's a little bit of slack in the front screw, just gives that clearance. I've still got it. Okay, so there we go. There's the basic part. Now the next part, of course, the next part is going to be putting the BNCs in here, because they will connect to the little jumper cables I've got in the back. So it's almost solid, right? BNC. So on the front of the BNC, there's a flange, then there's a thread, and the thread obviously meets up with them, The thread's going to go at the back, so get on there, thread. Stop messing about. And the little star washer. And the bolts. Let's see, it's not a very... There we go. Alright, just finger tight again. And we'll do the other side. And as you can see, that's 2 BNCs in there. So that looks pretty smart, doesn't it? Okay, so the next stage, what else do we need? Gonna finish with the BNC side of things. So BNC jumper, right angle at one end, straight at the other. And we'll put on the right angle first. There we go. That's going to go on there nicely. That's going to go to there. And now we're going to do the other side. I'm just going to finish this off here. So there we have jumper cables from the rear of the radio to the front of the radio. And that means that when it's in my bag, I can access the antennas more easily. I can also stand it up. Famous last words. Can also stand it up. So that means it can stand up in my bag. We are nearly there, so the last thing I want to put on is my Digirig. Now, I did have a smaller Digirig housing printed out, but it wasn't very solid, to be honest, and this metal casing is great. So I'm going to put my Digirig on here, about there, so it's level with the front of my BNC, and I'm just going to use good old-fashioned Velcro. So stick it on there so it's level. Hopefully that glue's going to take hold, and I just need to connect these ends. There we are, all done. So it is, I think that's pretty smart. Do say so myself. So what I need to do is put it in some sort of bag, and I have just a bag here. This is a copy of a bit of American Molly. It's one of the radio bags, so my radio is going to fit into this bag. Bit of a tight squeeze, but it's all done. So that's just going to protect my radio when I bring it into my day sack. Here we go then, here's the radio all ready to go in its little day sack. To get to it, all I need to do is open the zips with one hand. And here we go, there's my radio, all ready to go. So I can fire it up from inside my bag. Okay, if need be, on the top you can just see I will be able to get the Manpack whip on there. If I want to, I can just yank it out. So I just yank it out by numbers 1. There we go. There we go. So okay, day sack, you've done your bit now. There we go, Yaesu FT-857 Manpack, DIY, portable. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and smash that share button. My name is Lonewolf, ham radio. My call sign is 2 Echo 0 Hotel Kilo Zulu. Thanks for watching, 73s, and all the best.